Let us see how we can deploy a static website using Amazon S3. Let's navigate to S3. You should get something like this. Click on Create Bucket. Next, we need to specify the bucket name. Here I can type portfolio-tech.by. Then you need to scroll down. You can see block public access. So it is blocked by default. You need to uncheck it. So quickly uncheck it and then click on I acknowledge. Next, you can click on Create Bucket. This will create your S3 bucket. Next, you can click on the bucket and you can either check the permissions and then scroll to properties. Here you need to scroll all the way down here and enable static website hosting. Click on edit and enable it. You need to mention the default document that will be displayed. For me it's index.html, and then I can click on save changes. Now navigate and you can see that the link has been generated. Now the access is forbidden, so we need to configure that. So let's head on to permissions. Here we need to create a bucket policy. Click on edit. Here I'll mention it in the description. You can copy paste that code, that Json code right away. This will allow permission to view the S3 bucket. Edit this with your bucket name and click on save changes. The changes have been made. Navigate to your bucket, click on it. Now you need to add some object in the bucket. So click on upload. You can directly drag and drop your portfolio website or whatever website you are using. I'll just drag it here and this will take a few seconds to upload. Click on upload. Yeah, this will take some time. Yeah, it's all done. Now we can navigate to a bucket. We can click on the link, refresh it, and now you can see that my portfolio is visible over here. And that's it for this practical. This is how you upload your static website to AWS S3.